Baby, baby, won't you make me buy the things? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she throwing me kisses, no.
OMG. Oh, I hate when my lace ruffles. I put some sunglasses on my head. But good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the piece of the vlog that you're currently at. If it's the beginning, welcome. Y'all subscribe to the channel. It's your girl Ashley Bree. If it's in the middle, girl, how you doing? Go ahead and like this video while you're watching it. And girl, if it's at the end of a vlog and I'm about to wrap up this video, go ahead and get ready to click the next video. I don't know what part of this vlog you want. Good. So that's why I'm in line for Dunkin' right now. I don't know what part of this vlog you're watching, but I'm so glad you're here. Speaking of you being here, y'all, I did not update you guys, but I am back going to work trainings. This is my second day getting up early. It is 7:40. I have to be at where I need to be before 8 o'clock. And I'm in the line to get my Dunkin' because if I don't get it, I won't stay up the whole day. I just won't. I would crash and burn because my sleep pattern is not the best. It's just not. Baby boy still wakes up at least twice. And I just don't sleep very well. I don't know why. I don't sleep very well. I think because of anticipation of me knowing that I'm about to have to wake up early. I know that I'm gonna have to get up to tend to baby, and I just think it just makes me not sleep very well. But nevertheless, I am grateful, I am blessed, I am highly favored, and I am headed to work. My hair is still kind of drying, it's wet, but I am going to put some sunglasses on my head just so, you know. I got distracted. I thought I knew that person. I am gonna put some sunglasses on my head just to kind of tie the look together. And when we get our lunch break, we're typically outside for it, and your girl needs sunglasses for that. So packing up all my stuff in my pump bag because I also come to the car on my pump break to pump, and I want to be able to do that. But it's my turn to speak. Let me tell her I got a mobile order.
Thank you, Jesus. Dunkin', how may I help you?
Hi, I have a mobile order for Ashley.
Ashley, pull forward.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I wish I could pull forward. Where? Can't pull forward. Still stuck. They need to use that second window up there. The line will move much faster. Got on my little name tag. I'm good to go. Got my large Dunkin', because we got to get through this day. And I really should have put a shot of espresso in there. That's what I should have did. But nevertheless, I'm so glad they made it right, for one, because honey, when artistas and stuff be rushing, we forgetting ingredients. Can't have that. But they did make it correctly, so that's good. And I'm so glad that where I have to go, the school that they're hosting this training at, is literally one exit away from my house. So once I leave Dunkin' and my exit, I literally get on the expressway, ride one exit up, and I'm there, which is great because the program should be starting today around 8:05. And it is now 7:47, so I should be getting off the exit at like 7:50 and parking and stuff. So good timing. Yesterday they got started a little bit later after 8. I want to say it was around about 8:15, maybe 8:20, but I know it was after 8 o'clock. So as long as I'm there before 8, your girl is doing good. Y'all know me, I be rushing everywhere I go. But yesterday it was pretty good. Our our keynote speaker was a great speaker. And then when we did our first breakout session, I really enjoyed his lecture. At first, y'all, I thought he was like mimicking the Barbie movie, because the Barbie movie just came out, and he asked the audience like had they seen the Barbie movie, but like he was talking like in short words, like, so have you guys seen the Barbie movie? Like, he was talking slow like that, and I was like, maybe he's mimicking the Barbie movie, but come to find out, y'all, he actually just spoke like that. But nevertheless, he said it was a great movie. It was pretty good yesterday. The last breakout session, like our last breakout session, that was the one that was very tough for me to like stay engaged, because it was just a lot of information at one time and a lot of changes that were being made to what I'm about to have to do this school year at one time. And when stuff just starts to get overwhelming for me, I just shut down. So I literally shut down and was unengaged in what they were talking about. I know we're getting a new math program that we're going to be teaching, and we're also going to be getting a new phonics program, and I just got that information from when I was tuned in. But yeah, I am pulling in at this school. They're directing traffic. This time, y'all, I think I'm gonna try to veer off and see if there's some spaces up front, because I be trying to hide y'all, because people be looking at folks crazy. Because yesterday I parked like way back here in the back, and then when I literally walked, it was more spaces. So I'm about to check up front today, because I need to make sure there's no closer spaces. But I think everybody else did the same thing, because I'm not seeing one. More people decided to check today. Because literally yesterday as I was walking, I was like, look at all these spaces I could have got. Look at all these spaces I could have got. But it doesn't look like that today. Sure doesn't. Maybe I should have turned back the other way. Yeah. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna reverse. And let's go this way. Oh, it says do not enter one way. Yeah, I'm just all over the place. It says do not enter one way. So I guess I have to go this way. Let's see if we can find some parking over in this section. Everybody's like looking at me crazy, looking like, does she know where she going? Y'all, I do know where I'm going. I'm checking closer parking spaces, because I'm not trying to park. Oh, did I pass one? I did. Reverse. Is that? Oh, that is handicap. Man, it's always the handicap spots that get you. Makes you think that there's a space available when there isn't. Sorry, y'all. I was trying to park, and I'm parked in a weird spot. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ashley Bree, back to welcome back to my channel. I'm moving too fast, y'all, but I was so excited because I could not wait to tell you guys about this tank that I'm wearing. It's a high neck or seamless rib tank, y'all. I got this thing in 4 colors. I got it in black, I got it in, of course, this white that I'm wearing. It also comes in orange as well as a light tan color. So you guys, I'm going to be linking these on my Amazon storefront. If you're looking for something that's easy, everyday, throw on and go type of stuff, I suggest you check these out. They're by let me not butcher the name. Just go check my fashion items on my storefront. You'll find them there. Like I said, they come in a 4-pack and they're very reasonable. And y'all, they just go with everything. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So if you guys go check it out, the link will be in my description. All right, you guys, so I'm actually at TJ Maxx again. Y'all know those orange pants I told y'all I bought either in the last vlog or earlier in this vlog. I'm not sure where I put it, but I'm actually taking them back because those are too short, y'all. Like, I tried them on because I was actually gonna wear them today, and I was like, these pants are just too short. Like, they're just too short. So I'm taking those back, and I'm also taking back a cardigan that I had bought for a vacation. I was supposed to take it back when I took those pants back the other day, but then I was like, I'll wear it. I ain't finna wear it either. Taking it back, exchanging it for something that I think I will actually know I will wear. I was just in impulse buy mode when I was trying to find stuff for vacation. So we're at TJ Maxx. I just left Bargain Hunt, y'all. We bought a whole 32-inch TV for $75. Smart TV at that. What did you do that? So Mia got one. It's back there on the back seat, y'all. She's so happy because
my TV got struck by lightning while I was asleep. I woke up and it didn't work anymore, y'all. I was so hurt.
So yeah, we came up on a steal with a TV, and then y'all, we found her another formal dress. Like, I don't know if I vlogged yesterday, but we went to a place where we found her all solid long formal dress. Y'all, you're not even gonna believe the prices of these dresses. You're not even gonna believe it. We bought the first formal dress for $8, and we bought the second one for today for $7. Now, I love a deal, but when you get a steal like that, oh, you really hitting on something. And I love a steal. So we're about to take this stuff back in TJ Maxx. I'm actually at my local TJ Maxx, and then we're gonna see if we can come up on some more steals, because when you don't need stuff, you just want steals. You don't look for deals, you need a steal. So far so good. I feel real good about today with our purchases. So yeah, let's go take this stuff back, and I'll call y'all back. What's up, you guys? Welcome to another piece of this vlog that you're probably already watching, or it could be the beginning of a new vlog. If so, hey girl, hey, welcome to the vlog. It's your girl Ashley Bree. Go ahead and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. But you guys, I'm in the car with the family. I know y'all hear the kids and stuff in the background. I got mama over here, Mia back there in the back. Y'all know mama gonna try to hide from the camera, so yeah. I don't even know if I'm gonna let y'all see her. Mom, say hey. She just covered y'all up her head. Oh, she's eating right now, so she didn't want y'all to see that. But anyways, at Dunkin', y'all know I gotta start my days off with Dunkin', whether it's a matcha latte or iced coffee. But today, I'm getting iced coffee. And then, y'all know I went to TJ Maxx the other day. I got some stuff I want to take back because Amia didn't like everything. So yeah, we're at the drive-thru.
So I can still hear the music of that and the show. Are you talking?
To keep you here with me, I actually quit. Girl, I didn't know you would quit now.
If you want your pop socket broke, call me.
Y'all, I did not break this pop socket. Let me tell you how.
She picked up my phone, pulled the pop socket off, and then pulled the whole socket out.
Y'all, I did not break this pop socket. You want me to tell y'all how? Cause why? Where's the socket if I broke it? Where's the socket? The socket didn't fly nowhere. It was right here, and then she broke it.
Why did you pick up my phone? Why did you pick up my phone?
She broke this at work.
Why were you picking up my phone?
I was trying to help you not drop your phone off from right here. So I was trying to pick it up. No, I was trying to pick it up like this.
Yeah, bro, you don't supposed to pick phones up by pop sockets. You're not supposed to pick phones up like that. No, it's for you to hold your phone, not pick up your phone. I need a new pop socket. You broke it.
I did not break this. She broke this herself.
The
socket is nowhere to be found.
It's somewhere you threw it somewhere.
Socket with no socket. It's just a pop.
You threw it.
It's just a pop.
See how that just fell?
Where it went?
See what I'm saying? That's where you gonna find the socket down there too. You gonna find the socket right on down there. Look, she can't even find it. Can't even find it.
It's right here somewhere.
If you want your pop socket broke, call Amia. She will happily break your pop socket for you.
Y'all, the socket was broke by itself. I didn't do that. I'm gonna find it when I get out of the car.
Look, I'm gonna find it. See what I'm saying?
I'm gonna find the top, not the socket.
That's what I'm saying. You done lost the top now, even worse.
Well, you shouldn't have told me to try to do
Hey, no, I didn't tell you to do straight. Don't see how she tried to put stuff on me. That's how I know she did something she ain't had no business.
You shouldn't have told me to like
you gonna put it on people anyway, and they saw you. They saw you drop
it. Socket right here.
No, see, that's not even the socket.
That's the pop.
Where? No, that is the top.
The pop.
Where is the socket?
The socket.
You tell me, in the bag. Look in the bag. You done dropped it too.
Huh?
Look in the bag. You had him on mute. Who that on the phone? Let me see him.
Why are you recording? I'm not showing the camera.
Let me see him.
No.
Let me see him.
No, it's not. No, I'm not gonna let you see the secret.
I'm not showing the camera.
What a heart? What?
My first of all,
You done made heart status?
What's up? Huh?
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ashley Bree. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. Welcome. I'm so glad to have you. But I'm currently in the car over at my daughter's school because I'm taking her, because I'm not really dropping her off, to her media day. They have to come take pictures. All like the athletes have to come take pictures today. So we're currently over here at her school, and I was still in the car because I was actually finishing up a pump session. I went ahead and just like bagged my milk up because I don't have baby or bottles. So this is how much I pumped. My phone, I just put my phone in my bag, and I bet it's Amia texting me. I bet it's her right there. She probably saying, "Are you coming in?" Yeah, it was her. Trying to see what's taking me so long. So let me hurry up and get out of this car. But it's Sunday now. This is the last day of their choreography camp. So the last day where we got to do all this extraness for cheer outside of practice. After this, they're going to go have dinner and stuff at one of their teammates' house with the coach. So yeah, that's what we got going on. I just kind of wanted to get the vlog started for today and check in with you guys, and just kind of let y'all know what's going on. Look, y'all, this is my mini water bottle. Oh, I need to fill it back up. If you don't have one of these, you need this because it's perfect for like your purse and stuff. Ain't no water in there. Let me get out of this car because at this point, she wondering where I'm at and what's taking me so long. And yeah, let me go. Let me go. All right, y'all. So I'm about to go in here. That's my seat. I'm about to go in here and I will pick y'all back up in a second. As the YouTube girlies say, I'm gonna call y'all back. I ain't trying to jock y'all. I'm just trying to adjust to the lingo. So if you say that on your channel, don't think I'm coming for you. All right, I'm gonna put on my sunglasses to walk in and then stick them back on my head. By the way, I have these on sale, as well as a lot of other sunglasses. If you guys are interested, check out the link in my description box. BeTransformedWithUs.com, and you can purchase these as well as plenty other sunglasses. So y'all go shop. I'll see y'all in a second.
30, baby, won't you make me buy the beans? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is, whenever I visit.